guys, what is up? It's Streamable here, and I'll be reacting to another video. Smile HD. Weird. Weird, but weird. Let's watch it. Warning, blah, 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 blah. Everything I don't care about. Blah, blah, blah. Get to this. Okay. Then it crashed. But yes, Mara. Dude, that smile though. They're so tiny. Oh my gosh, my thing keeps freezing. Cheer them up even though they're already happy. Cheer them up and everything. What just happened? I thought My Little Pony was supposed to be a friendly show. Oh god. Oh no. They smile. The orange one is smiling. Oh, Rainbow Dash, the emblem man. Jeez, stop, Pinky. You're like so happy. You're murdering everybody. Done. This video over. Done. Rainbow Dash killed her. I think. Yeah, dying is not bad. There, she's dead. I think. Why are we going to her ear? This is my kill meter. What the? Oh, that's great. What? Just like Dragon Ball Z now. No. Uh-oh. Yellow and you're screwed. That is a weird angle. Now she's crying because she killed all of her friends. How is she still alive? Oh my gosh, it's Dragon Ball Z. Well, Pinky's gonna... She's not gonna be smiling after this. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. That is Dragon Ball Z. This thing is so related to Dragon Ball Z. Oh my. I don't even know what happened. Well, guys, that was the weirdest video probably ever seen. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.